All right, guys, let's quickly go over the ES this morning, and let me show you a couple of things here. These are your swing lines, right? Your swing one, your swing two, your major one, your major two. But what I want to show you here is the squeeze, right? Where you've got the major two and this swing two that are just squeezing price back and forth. All right. Now, what happens? How do we get a tip off that this had a high probability of occurring? And I'm going to show you. We finally broke through after testing that major two so many times. But what happened? We got one bar and then chop, 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 chop. Nothing. There is absolutely nothing above that major two. So once we broke down below the major two again, we pretty much knew that we were going to get some form of decline. And then once you broke the swing two, it was just confirmation. But this is what I'm saying. When you break these lines, especially if you're squeezing and you don't get a sharp, quick move, you just get this little putsy one bar and then you just chop, 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 chop for 10 minutes. That's telling you something. That's telling you that it's weak. And sure enough, this is what's happened. Remember that there's two things that the market can do. It can do what probability dictates it should do, and that's telling you something. And it should do what probability says it shouldn't. And I'll be honest with you, some of the best trades I've made are on the side that it does what it should not, because that actually tells you more. That tells you more when probability has just been slapped in the face and it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. That gives you an idea that, hey, something isn't right here. It should have done this on a probability standpoint, and a high probability standpoint. It didn't. So what that tells me is that it's going to go in the opposite direction. So just remember, a probability can work both ways, and you can actually make more money off of probability not following through. All right, so that's all I really wanted to cover was the squeeze and the fact that really we got a head fake here, and then boom. So hope you guys are having a good day, and talk to you guys later.